हेलो ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಕೈರುದ ಕೈಗೆ ಮೆಜ್ಜಿಟ್ಟು
हेलो
पाँच नान बटर नान और 2 गाड़ी
What are you going to eat?
Chicken kolhapuri, that is very spicy. Murg handi lazzeez, chicken Szechuan noodles, and his soup.
What?
चिकन हैदराबादी, चिकन अफगानी, चिकन मुगलई, चिकन दुबई, चिकन कतर, चिकन रियाजी,
And what else?
चिकन काली मुर्गी.
Hey, what are you going to eat? Lali?
Yeah, mutton. We are going to eat chicken ghee roast and butter chicken along with chicken Afghani. This is starter. Then some mutton in main course and butter naan, garlic naan.
Will it go inside? All those? Will it go inside?
Yeah, all 3 of us will eat.
Okay, take care. All the Mohandis. What are you going to eat? Ki call it?
Chicken dum biryani and chicken noodles.
And you?
Same.
Same.
Chicken dum biryani.
Hey, ki call it?
चिकन लॉलीपॉप
हाँ.
चिकन राइस चिकन कढ़ाई चिकन
Eh?
लेमन जूस
हाँ.
चिकन लॉलीपॉप आई थिंक दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ but 2 to eat.
Okay, this seat is for me.
Yes.
Ekdam.
Your Highness.
Thank you. I don't know what I'm going to eat. Actually, I'll eat what they have ordered.
How do you feel? I mean, after taking the entire stroll of the hotel, what do you think of the hotel is?
It's fine. It's totally fine. Hi, after more than 4 hours we have finally reached. Here I am. I've been traveling since 5 in the morning, and then right now I've reached the location, this destination. I've never imagined that this place will be like this. Oh god. Shit.
हाँ तो बड़े थ्रिल रहते देखे नहीं मजा मिलते तो 17 जन देखा था तो
Can you hear the sound? Every place is back. I mean, like there is not even a single space. I thought that there is only one waterfall, but there are so many waterfalls. I mean, like, see, just you cannot comprehend the beauty of this waterfall. Really, I mean, like, we just seen from one viewpoint, and then let's go another side. I mean, like downside, and see. This is my friend Ashwini.
Yes.
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 We are enjoying. Oh, how are you? I mean, like, how is your experience?
It is very nice. Actually, I have seen this waterfall first time.
Yeah, even me also. I never think that waterfall will be like this much. I mean, like, I've been to that Shillong.
Yeah.
And again, this is also another magical place. You know.
And another thing is that the season is. This
Yeah,
climate
we
is
came
adding much more beauty.
Yeah. We came at the right time, actually.
Yeah.
Because there are a lot of rainfalls now, so we came at the right time. And see, actually, and today it's not
Bridge. Here's a bridge. Small
we
bridge.
are going to cross the bridge. See, and this is none other than Anand, Uya Anand, my Uya. Oh, it's shaking. It's shaking. It's shaking. Guys, see, there are so many people. I mean, thousands and thousands of people. Like, oh God, negative manu to. What is the problem? Huh? I'm so privileged that I could able to come here and see this beautiful waterfalls, natures, and then it was so far away. We woke up at 5 and then it was around 4 hours journey, and then I was thinking like it won't take much time. I mean, like, I was thinking like there will be only few people, but in reality, you know, there are thousands and thousands of people here. Like, literally there are thousands and thousands. Okay, now we're going back home, and hope you will like my video, and then yeah, see you, catch you later, bye, thank you for watching.